the Game Boy. Plus, support external gamepad, double against. Digital game system 3.0 inches. Super wide LCD. The console is slim, portable, and trendy. Trendy's nuts. Digital multi-platform device. Can play on TV. The backlit function of the screen ensures players can play everywhere. With a powerful rechargeable battery pack, includes an AC adapter and a lithium-ion rechargeable battery, 6 hours of continuous gameplay. Something. What's in it? That's it. And there's the TV out. Power button. Arrow keys, vol, start, select, reset, and game keys. I assume this is going to be another NES clip, but it's also destroyed, so hopefully it'll even turn on. We have, quite literally, the thinnest cable I've ever seen. Is that 2.5 mil? I think that's 2.5 mil. Hold on, wait. That's 2.5 millimeter audio jack. Of course, it's a Nokia battery. Hello? User's manual for Retro FC Famicom. Okay, I don't care. Let's turn this damn thing on. This is as loud as it goes. Listen to that amazing quality. Amazing quality. Wow. Amazing. English. Start. I'm just going to use my half-broken easy cap for video capture. It should be fine. You can't mess up Mario. Why are there lines on the screen? Is it like that on the display? It's not like that on the built-in display. Probably just my giant capture setup. The lines are not there. It's just my giant capture setup. It's the PAL ROM on an NTSC console deal again. Okay. I thought you could never mess up Mario. Oh, Mario's running too fast. What? It's glitchy too. Okay, this is actually running horribly. The buttons feel terrible too. It has indented the B button into my finger. Reset. Oh, accidentally. Wait, if you choose Chinese, there's menu music? If you choose English, it's silent. If you use Chinese, there's menu music. It's the same games, but there's menu music. I just saw Spider-Man there. There was no Spider-Man on this NES. There's no Spider-Man on the original Nintendo. What was there? Spider-Man can freaking shoot? I had no clue what to do here. Turns out there actually is a Spider-Man game on the original Nintendo. It's not that one. I have no clue how to play this, but it's definitely a lot better than whatever is on that console. What is F1 Race? Fair enough, it's F1 Race. That's wait. This is just pole position. This is not F1 Race, it's just pole position. I ran out of time. Oh, this feels terrible in the hands. Flappy. Is this Flappy Bird? No. It's by DB Soft, 1985. Ah, I think I know what I need to do. I need to push the blue one. I thought my goal was to get to them. Because this looks very similar to Binary Land. What is Nutcracky? Subconscious? This is legit hurting my ear. Ear, singular, because this is one channel audio. Given how it acts when you mess with the cable... Dig Dog. Dicey Dig Dog. Given how it acts when you remove the cable, I wouldn't be surprised if this is a composite monitor. I am amazing at Dig Dug, okay? Trust me. Good thing I'm used to the version on PS5, which is the arcade version. I did not rage quit Dig Dug. I did not rage quit Dig Dug. That one. B-Wings. If I ever buy another one of these, I'm going to make sure it's not another NES clone, because they pretty much all have the same stuff on it. Road Fighter. As you can assume, it's a racing game. Oh, you press the B button to go. I was pressing up. Oh, this is 400 kilometers an hour. That's pretty fast. Oh, good, get what? 400 kilometers per hour to miles per hour. 230 miles per hour. That's pretty fast, though. I am playing on a preview window for an easy cap, but it's time to go on to the teardown. There's not much more interesting to do with the games. It's time to see what's inside of this thing. Of course, we know it's going to be a NES on a chip, but what specifically is going to be inside of it? Okay, so we know it's going to be a NES on a chip, but we don't really know anything else. I actually have no clue what's going to be inside this. I bet it's just a tiny PCB with a singular blob chip on it. Bigger PCB than I thought. Yes, seems screws. I've seen that LCD before. I have 100% seen that LCD before. Yeah, I had a cheap Aliexpress digital camera that used the same LCD as this. I am going to quickly remove the LCD. There's the board. So that's the flash, almost certainly. That's the processor, the RAM, the everything. And there's your controls. Is this $5 gaming console any good? Well, for $5, absolutely. But as a game system that you're actually going to play, it's pretty terrible. The games run too fast, the buttons are really mushy, and the screen is awful. I don't recommend it, but I have put the link in the description if you really want it. In fact, I'm pretty sure that this Nokia phone would be a better games console than this. This is peak gaming. So much better than the other one. This is so much better than the game console from Aliexpress. Playing Russian Subway Surfers knockoff on my Nokia. This console is beaten out by playing Russian Subway Surfers knockoff on a Nokia. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.